email marketing die? So this video is very important right now. We are going to think about this particular thing, that whether email marketing is going to die or not, right? So some people still think that email marketing is going to die at some point of time, but they don't understand email marketing is connected to the Google. So till the time the Google is there, email marketing is going to be there, right? So this thing which you need to understand every single day of your life, that if you are learning about email marketing like me, or if you are learning about email marketing service provider, then so many people are using this particular email marketing thing. So they are not fools, they have already thought about this particular thing, whether email marketing is going to be last long for the next 5 year or 10 years. So this thing, you should not think too much about it. First you need to understand email marketing is going to be there, because it's a very cheapest way to do the marketing. And certain people, some people, they change their number sometimes, but they don't change their Gmail. Yes, there are people who create a new Gmail, but still they have their Gmail, which is an old one still, right? So that's why email marketing is not going to die. So don't think about this particular thing. Yes, if you have a thought, I understand that, because right now you're learning about email marketing, so maybe you have this particular thought. But one thing which you need to understand, email marketing is not going to die. But yes, if it is going to die, we will do something different in the future, that which you need to understand right now. So if you have any question, make sure you comment down below what question you have, and you can share this particular videos to everybody who wants to learn about email marketing. I'm just the normal guy who's learning about the email marketing and sharing my message to you guys. So email marketing is not going to die.